Good morning. Welcome to Module 7, Lesson 2. We looked at some vocabulary terms yesterday: triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Today we're going to use that knowledge and we're going to see if these shapes fit into any of those names. So this first shape here, would you call this a triangle? Well, the triangle has to have three straight sides, 1, 2, 3, and it has to have three angles, 1, 2, 3. So yes, that would be a triangle. And I know some of you are looking down here and saying, oh, there's an overlap. Well, this was just a little bit on my fault here. So if I color this in, there's no gaps, no overlaps. This shape is complete with three straight sides and three angles. So yes, this is a triangle. Now here, this is very similar to this shape, but this looks like we flipped it upside down. Is that still a triangle? Well, yes, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. They're straight, and it has 1, 2, 3 angles. So it meets all the rules of a triangle. So both this and this are a triangle. Now this shape here, is it a square? Well, the square has 4 equal straight sides. Is this side the same shape or same size as this side? No. So right there, this cannot be a square. But is it a rectangle? It has 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does it have 4 angles? 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angles. Yeah. Does it have 2 sets of equal sides? Well, I know that this side is equal to this side. That's one set. I know that this side is equal to this side. That's the second set. So does it have 2 sets of equal sides? Yes, it meets all the rules of a rectangle. So that is a rectangle. What about this shape here? It looks like this shape has been twisted. Is it still a rectangle? Well, it has 4 straight sides. It has 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it does have 1 set, 2 sets of equal sides. So both of these are rectangles. Neither one is a square because they don't have 4 equal sides, but both of these shapes meet all the rules of a rectangle. Now this shape down here is a little different. We count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our only 5-sided shape vocabulary term we have is pentagon. So far it has 5 straight sides. So yes, it meets that first rule. Does it have 5 angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is this a pentagon? Yes. Is this a pentagon? Yes. They look different, but they meet both of the rules. These are both pentagons. Now our next shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Our hexagon has 6 straight sides. Yes, it has 6 straight sides. Does it have 6 angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 angles and 6 straight sides. This is a hexagon. This is also a hexagon. Though they look different, both of these shapes meet the rules. 6 straight sides, 6 angles. Now here, our last shape. This looks mostly like a square. Does it have 4 equal sides? Yeah, I would say that these 4 sides are equal. Does it have 4 equal angles? Well, that's where things get a little tricky because we have a gap and an overlap, and we have an overlap here. Can our shapes have gaps or overlaps? No, they cannot. So this is not a proper square because it has gaps and overlaps. If all 4 lines were straight and equal, if all 4 angles were equal, and there were no gaps and no overlaps, yes, it would be a square. But the way it's drawn now, no, it is not a square. Okay, so here's a couple of more versions of some of the vocabulary words we used yesterday. I hope you're learning these words because we're going to learn a few more tomorrow. So please get comfortable with these words, and I'll see you for the debrief.